Hi everyone, join me to unboxing this package from Australia. Thank you so much, Miss Chloe Dalmasio and family for the love and support and for your kindness. Thank you so much for this package, and I'm so excited to unbox this package. And God bless you everyone. Stay safe and God bless you all. From the bottom of my heart, maraming salamat po. Daghan kaayong salamat. Thank you so much. I'm so excited to open this. Join me! Hi, hello, mabuhay! This is Faith, your lady and your boy from the Philippines. And for today's video, help me to unbox this package. So, this video, we speak English, Bisaya, and Tagalog because we have a lot of supporter from other places. So, maayong buntag. Good morning and magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. So, this is the package that I received today. So, it's my break time. So, i-unboxing na natin siya at tulungan niyo ako ma-inbox siya kasi I'm so excited. So, this is the second time that they gave it to me. So, first time is last is my makeup. So, right now it's still up also. So, let's unboxing this one. So, let's open. I'm so really excited. Thank you so much, ma'am. Salamat ka kayo sa inyong hatag ka ako. Kasi for sure, maganda pa rin ito. Yeah, super excited lang ako kasi log yung pinibigyan mo. Thank you for this. Sirain na natin para may kasunod na. Yun daw yun. So, ito na. Ito na siya. So, ito na natin. Grabe yung packaging. So, ito na. Ayun na. Nakita ko na yung pangalan ko sa loob. So, ito na siya. So, ito na may nakalagay na pay. Gatong tutor. Do you hear that one? Nandaan pa may malasa. Charis. So, ito na. Buksan na siya natin. So, syempre, kayo nang makakita na. So, kita niya, may pangalan ako dyan. Sa akin talaga ito. So, hindi nagkamali. So, ayun na. Syempre, hindi na. Wow! So, pipik lang tayo ng isa. So, oh, we have a lip oil. So, may lip oil tayo ngayon. So, lip oil. Next is Lush Princess Full Lash Effect Mascara. Lalagyan ako ng mascara. Next, we have here lip care, lip scrub. Yeah, this is my second lip scrub. Meron akong dito before bigay din sa akin, pero meron pa rin. Kapag nag-dry, I feel dry to my lips, I put the lip scrub. Next is we have here lip care and apple extract like this. So, keeps lips moisturized and hydrated while you are asleep or sleep. Next we have here cleansing foam. Something cute that I thank you. Next we have here a ball pen. Natin ball pen. Next we have here lipstick. Next we have here yun, malaki ito. Body wash. Body wash. Naka-seal. May body wash daw. Next is hello, I really love this shade. Maybelline. Lipstick. Lipstick ulit. Next is moisture and lip balm. Ayan, may lip balm. Next is lip gloss from Maybelline. Next is, what is this one? Hazelnut body mist. Coconut body mist. So we have here body mist. Next is one bag lipstick. So Elworld, ang ganda ng shade. Meron tayong lipstick. Next we have here Sweet Lip Sugar Scrub. May sugar scrub ulit. So next is Vinyl! Vinyl o vinyl. Tapos meron tayong eyeshadow, lipstick. It's a lot. So meron tayong whitening mint. This one. Next we have here retinol, water free. Ayan. Next, marami pa eh. Meron tayong lip liner, color pencil. So, meron ulit tayong another shade of lipstick. I really love the lipstick. Next is... Wait, may nakakapa pa ako. Lip balm. Ang dami kong lip balm. Next is we have here Python, retinol. So, retinol. Next is we have here palette. Oh look, ganda na may shot. Ay, blush on. See, ang ganda ng blush on. My goodness. Mrs. Bella Rossi. Oh, ang ganda. May pag... I really love the shade. Actually, marami na din. Binigyan din niya ako ng makeup before. Next, we have here Beach Bliss perfume. May perfume na ako. Caramel and almond vanilla. Next, we have here moisturizer, a red serum here. Next, we have there's nothing on. And that's it. We have here Yummy Matte, and other one here is Critical Balm. So we have here. So do you see that one, guys? It's a lot. Thank you so much, Miss Chloe, for everything of this. And I have now a lot of makeup again. Thank you so much for everything. Ang dami. It's a lot actually. So here, you see that one. Thank you. Ang dami. So, yan. Marami pa yung lip liner pa ako. Ito mascara. This one. Totally empty. Thank you so much, Miss Chloe. God bless you and your family. More power. And maraming salamat po sa pagmamahal at suporta palagi sa akin. God bless you and thank you very much. Maraming salamat po. I have a new one here, so I'm so excited to wear all of this very soon. Thank you so much. See? Lip scrub. Meron akong lip balm.